Hello Jelly Babes, welcome back to my channel. So I have some more Beauty Big Bang products to review for you today. So I'm going to show you how I created this gorgeous design later on in the video. I'm going to be doing a similar sort of layout as I did my last stamping review of these plates. So I'm just going to show you the plates here. So this is like a geometric plate. And then I'm going to show you pictures of the swatches that are pre-done for these plates. But then obviously I will be showing you how I do the design and doing a few swatches at the end of the video. But as you can see, I had no issue with pickup with these plates. And that's really sort of funky images there with the geometric. So plates from 21 to 25 you can buy as a 5-piece set for £12.23, or if not every plate that is in this set is for you, then you can buy them individually for £2.75. But obviously if you buy as a 5-piece it works out cheaper price per plate. I'm absolutely loving these rectangular plates that Beauty Big Bang are bringing out at the moment. Lots of really pretty images on there, and you know, you can just kind of be able to create so many gorgeous nail arts with them. So the plate sizes are 6 centimeters by 12 centimeters. And I will be putting all links and that in the description box below as well. I do think these are amazing quality for the price that you're paying for a stamping plate. I mean, generally they'll have like 14 images on a plate, sometimes more. But as you can see, even with the negative space images, there is no issue with pickup. And obviously with different bases or advanced stamping, you can create many beautiful images. I really love this plate. I love all the different sort of like textured looks behind like the delicate flowers. So I tried to make obviously the flower kind of like the focal point with these ones. So you can do advanced stamping or you can just stamp over it, but a lot of these I did find like you would need to do like advanced stamping or decal making to get the best out of them. I think I have been drooling over this plate ever since I saw it. I love like the faces and the different things that you can add to a mani. I just think it makes it like extra pretty. So with all of these plates you will need to remove the blue film like I have just shown you. And the bases that I used are these, which are gorgeous sort of like flaky base. So they are from the Madame Glam Peacock collection. So I'm just going to quickly show you the names of the bottles, and I have done a review on this, so if you want to check that out I can leave links to that also. It'll either be in the description box or across the top of the screen. So this little lady here caught my eye for this mani. I just missed a bit off the top of her hair there. I actually did this again off camera because I wasn't happy with the roses. And I am going to be going over these glittery bases with a Sharpie. So I'm basically just colouring like lines across the nail. I think Sharpies are a great and quick way to add colour to a mani. Obviously you could stamp on to a base like this and fill in with Sharpies as well. But I kind of just did like a gradient. And I know it's very summer themed. But I love my summer bright colours. Obviously you can adapt this if you wanted it more for autumn or even winter. So these are the colours that I put on. And I mean obviously you are going to be stamping over this with a negative space image, so you can skip this step I suppose. But I just wanted to sort of like get that harsh line off the Sharpies and sort of like blend them a little bit more. So I'm doing this with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol, and then you just top coat that and cure it underneath your lamp. So these are how I did the other bases. And then I'm going to take this flower image here, which obviously you're going to get the base peeking through with the flowers. So that picked up nicely there. So I'm just going to place that on the nail. So I can see obviously I missed a little bit, but I just filled that in with some polish. It wasn't, you know, it wasn't a big thing. You can easily do that. And then obviously I'm going to fill this little lady in with different colours. So this, what I'm doing now, is it can be referred to as advanced stamping or decal making. But it's the same method where obviously you fill in you know, the design with different colours. So I think, well, actually I was going to say I think I prefer this method, but sometimes obviously just being able to stamp it in a block colour is more convenient. But I do like the fact that with these type of images you can fill it in with the colours however which way you want. So you can take this money and obviously have, you know, different looks with it dependent on the colours that you use. So I've given her some cool funky purple hair highlights peeking through on her hair. And I always put like a layer of white over these polishes, over the stamping image, sorry, before I stamp, because it really just helps the colours to pop, especially when you're putting it on a coloured base. So there's that little gorgeous lady all finished. And then you just want to go ahead and do a top coat. Normally with the black I would do a matte finish, but I actually loved it glossy because you've got like the glittery the glitter peeking through from the base. I decided to keep it glossy. So as I've showed 5 images of the other plates, I'm just going to show you 3 more images of this plate. I'm not filling it in, I'm just going to show you how they stamp really, and just so you can get a bit more, obviously you've seen like the swatching purpose. Swatching purpose, what am I on about? You know what I mean. Swatching process. Absolutely love this image. I love all of these actually. It's a really cool plate, and like that one's so cute with the butterfly on her shoulder. So I also got this BeautyBigbang stamping plate case holder thing. So this is like a hollow, pink hollow laser, which is absolutely gorgeous. You've got a gorgeous pink tasseled zip as well. So you open it up. So I've already put my square plates in that I've reviewed before because they weren't in a specific squared section of a stamping plate holder before. So there are 24 slots with this holder. 16 are for the square slots and the 8 are for the rectangular. The size of the rectangular sleeves are 13.5 centimeters by 7.4 centimeters, and the square ones are 6.5 centimeters by 6.7 centimeters, and they are okay if you've got the square or round plates. The size of the whole case is 16 centimeters by 9 centimeters, and it's like 2.8 centimeters thick. So I'm just going to fill this up now. But I really do love having like a brand stamping plate holder. So because I've got quite a lot of plates now, not boasting, it's just facts. It's great having it in like obviously a BeautyBigbang, in a BeautyBigbang holder. So I'm going to be able to easily find them in my collection. So I'm just going to quickly show you the swatches again all together. I really enjoyed reviewing these swatches. I hope you've enjoyed watching it, and my review has been really helpful and giving you some ideas on how to use these plates. Don't forget to use my code if you do purchase these from BeautyBigbang to get 10% discount. So that's it for today, Jelly Babes. Take care. Bye.